A simple French bread recipe for a bread machine is 1 1/3 cups of warm water, 1 1/2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 cups of all-purpose flour or bread flour, and 2 teaspoons of yeast. This recipe will make a 2-pound loaf. Be sure the kneading paddle is in place, then place the warm water into your bread pan. Then add the olive oil, the salt, and the sugar. Add the flour to cover the liquid. Make a small indentation on top of the center of the flour, but not deep enough to reach the liquid. Add the yeast to the indentation. Adding the ingredients in this order is important if you're using the timer. It keeps the yeast away from the liquid until it's time to knead them together. Liquid ingredients will prematurely activate the yeast. Now you can set your bread pan into the machine. Choose the French bread cycle, the loaf size, and the crust setting.